So today's video, we're gonna make this bearing bracket in our Solidworks. Currently, I am using Solidworks 2021 for this video. You can use any Solidworks version. So for making this part, we're gonna go to part setting and click over here. First, we need to choose what the unit system it will run. So in this Solidworks interface, go over this and click over here and choose MMGS from. If you read this drawing, we can see this A arrow. This it indicate it is the front plane. So this is, we can see this is the right plane and this is the top plane. So we're gonna make this right plane first and we're gonna make this slot part. Then we go to the neck portion. So go to the design tool and click the right plane and click sketch. Now we're gonna make this rectangle portion. So for making this, we're gonna need a rectangle. We will use the center rectangle. So go over this drawing section. Go to the center rectangle and choose center rectangle here. Just point out the center point and draw a rough shape of rectangle. Now choose the straight slot and make a slot like this and this. Now we will make a relation using this drawing parameter. So for giving the relation, we will choose the line, press shift and then click it, or you can use this command add relation. For this video, we're gonna make this relation command. So click over here, then select the entities, choose the one side of this slot and one side of this rectangle carefully. So you can see line 4 and line 9 over here. So make this collinear. Now press OK. Then another time this side and this side, and see this line 11 and line 2 over here. Make it the collinear. OK. Now make this line point and this point collinear. So go to the add relation command and choose the upper point of this circle, or over here the circle. This is the midpoint and this line, and click to coincident. Same things repeated. Go to the add relation, choose this point and this line and click coincident. Now make these two slot equal. So go to the add relation, choose whole slot like this and this full slot. Just click this slot and press shift and click this slot. So make it equal slot over here. Then we will make this coincide relation also. So making this, press escape, go to the add relation command, choose the above portion and this line and make it coincident. You can also create this add relation by using point out this sketch line and hold shift, then choose carefully this line. Now we will give the dimension of it. So go to sketch and click to the smart dimension. If you see this drawing, these 2 points are 64. So choose the center line of the slots and give 64. Then see this slot is 26. So choose these two line and give 26. Now give this slot 30. So choose the center line and give it 30. Now if you see this slot is at offset, so go to the offset command, click over here and change the perimeter to 7.5. Why 7.5? I will explain it. Just zoom it and see, this is 26 and this is 11. So minus these two did minus from that it's become 15. So two side of 15 is make one side 7.5. So I will give the offset 7.5 and click over here and make it the reverse. And this also, if you choose these kinds of problem, I think just shift and click that portion, it will uncheck that. Just click the slot position, also give the select chain option on and then place OK. It will create the slot properly. Now see, it will go to extrude it 10 and here is 3. 10 and 3, so it is 7 and 3. So just go to feature and click extrude boss base. Now carefully choose this slot, this section and this portion. If we just rotate over here, just see these kinds of, we don't choose this corner portion because the corner is rounded over here. So make it direction change. So click over here, make it the reverse direction and give this parameter to 7 and press enter. Now we will choose these 3 height. So just click the extrude boss base. Now choose this drop down over here, this pointer, and go to the extrude boss base. We will use this sketch. So click to the sketch 1 and carefully choose to slot over here like this and give the direction is 3 and click OK. Now the slot is created properly. Now we will go to the neck portion of this. So creating the neck portion, we will need a perpendicular plane of this base. So if we choose the front plane, we will see this is the perpendicular plane of that. So click to the front plane and just go to sketch. Now choose line over here. We see a point. Just click in and draw a rough shape like this. Also makes you this is horizontal and this is vertical. Now we'll give the dimension. So from this point to this point, the dimension of this is 20 plus 10. Ever over this here is 10. So 20, 10 plus 10 is 30. So give the smart dimension and give is 30. Now see over here, there is called 45 length. So if we give the 45 from there, we will does not give this 45 from here. So just choose this line, just rotate and choose this line and this point and give it 45. Now see, this line is properly defined. After that, we will make the offset of this. So before offset, we will make a fillet. The fillet is 10 radius. So go to sketch and click the sketch fillet. Give it the fillet parameter 10 and choose the entities over this point. Just press OK. Now we will give an offset of 10. So go to the offset entities, change the parameter to 10, select the select chain option, just click the line. It will create this, but it is on reverse direction. So click to the reverse. Now also check on the cap end. It will create a straight line from the original geometry and choose the lines also. If we choose arc, this will make the oval section, and if we choose the line, it will just check the straight line from the original body. Just press OK. Now we will extrude it up to 30 in both directions. So go to feature and click extrude boss base. Over here in the direction, click to the mid plane, and the height of this is 30. Now see, these kinds of geometry will be created. Just click OK. So this created properly. Now we will see this 13 over here, and this is some material over here. So let's create it. So just click this portion, this naked next base portion, and click to the sketch. So for creating this, we will convert some entities from that. For converting entities, just click the convert entities. In this section, choose this line and this line and click OK. It will convert it to straight line in that sketch. Now just press sketch bar and click to the normal direction. It will create in normal. It will give us the normal direction from our sketch. So go to sketch and click to the line option. Create a line like this, and also in both direction. Now click the smart dimension over here, this point and give the 30, and also this 13. Now the sketch is fully defined. So we're gonna go to feature and click extrude. Make sure always turn off the thin off feature. So before thin off feature, we will select the select content. Click over the select content and carefully click this portion and this portion. And see, this thin feature is off. Turn it on properly so we can see these kinds of view over here, and carefully choose another region over here. We will see a box type of geometry. So it will be 3 extrusion height. So go give it a free perimeter and click enter. You will see a material is created over here like this image. Now we will see this above portion of that drawing. So click this portion and click scale. Now go to circle. Just click to the midpoint and draw a circle 30, because this is the 30 over here. So smart dimension, give it a 30. So it is properly again defined by this line. So let's create another 30 circle over here. Just give it a dimension of 19.1 mm. You will see this is this 19.1 rem rim. So now go to the feature and click to the extrude boss base. We can see this is extrusion height is 40, but it is a tricky portion. So see this is a large portion and this is a small portion. So for doing this, we're gonna give a 40 and a mid plane over here. But we're gonna see this is big and this is small. So we're gonna reverse it. So for this, we're gonna make it to the bind option also and give on to the direction 2. So for making this, we're gonna direction 1 make this 20 or 10, and this direction 2 make it 30 and click OK. Our geometry is created properly. Now some modification is required, that this section is not fully hole because we extrude it. So creating this hole, click to this face and go to sketch. Click this circle portion and click the convert entities. Now we will extrude cut it. So click to the feature and click to the extrude cut. Give this extrude cut direction is much higher than the body and just click OK. It will properly cut it our hole. Now see, there is another hole over here. This is 3 diameter hole. So creating this hole, we gonna make the reference geometry for doing this. So making the reference geometry, just click over the reference geometry portion and click the plane. First, the reference section, click to this face over here and give it any number or 70 or 80. You can give it 70, it is properly. Just click OK. Now choose this plane one and click sketch. In this sketch, go to circle and make circle over here just like this. Now click the smart dimension and give the dimension is 3 diameter. Now we will give some relationship. So in here it will give us 20 from this section. So click the circle center point and this line and give it 20. Now click to the line, choose for construction and click the center point, check the for construction. Now click the origin point and the circle center point. Now we can see this drawing is fully defined or showing over here. So we're gonna make a hole by using this drawing. So go to picture and click to the extrude cut. If we see this drawing, there is no mentioning the dimension of this hole. So for this, we're gonna make arbitrary decision. So click to the up to surface over here and choose the upper surface of this hole and click OK. This will create a hole in proper way like this. And just hide this plane. Just click over here and click this eye icon. It is called hide icon. Just click over here. It will hide that. Now see, this hole is created properly within dimension. No need to fear this R20 because if we create it 10 fillet, it automatically offset. It will be 20 over here.